Hello engineers, developers, and all of our friends out there in the embedded computing space. I'm Ken Briodagh with Embedded Computing Design, and I'm here with Rich Nass at Embedded World 2025 here in Nuremberg, Germany.
Pretty exciting.
Yeah, it's going to be a huge show. I mean, we've got tons of stuff going on. We're here on day 0 in the Embedded Computing Design booth in Hall 1. That's 1500. So if you're here in Germany, I hope you're going to join us. At the booth this year, we've got our brand new Dev Zone. So excited for folks to come and visit. It's going to be showcasing 10 of the most exciting, most interesting development boards, toolkits, dev boards that are here in the industry. So you got to come by and check those out. We're even possibly going to be giving some of them away. But that's not all that's going on, even today before the show even opens.
Later this evening, we'll be announcing the winners of our Best in Show awards. We've had more entries than ever, so it was very difficult to judge, but we're very excited to announce those winners. That's at the Meridian this evening at 7 o'clock. So come on by, find out who the big winners are.
And of course, the show opens tomorrow in grand fashion. There's going to be tons going on all week. You definitely want to come by our booth, though. We're going to be giving away Raspberry Pi boards, awesome t-shirts. You got to get your t-shirt for this year. And there's even a chance to win a really cool Lego set sponsored by Wind River this year, which is really going to be a lot of fun. So I hope you come by the Embedded Computing Design booth at 1500 here in Hall 1 at Embedded World in Nuremberg, Germany this year. It's going to be a bigger show than ever, and I hope we see you.